Located in Hue City, Vietnam, the Q House is a communal space for 2 generations of a typical Vietnamese family with an area of 277 square meters. The central region of Vietnam is known for its extreme weather conditions. Therefore, a reinforced concrete structure was adopted as the main structural framework of the house, reducing the impact of severe weather events. Inside, a wooden structure was used for the staircase and circulation walkway on the 3rd floor. The combination of the wooden structure and the natural oak color creates a relaxing and welcoming atmosphere that attempts to reduce the solidity of the concrete structure. It also conveys advanced woodworking techniques from local craftsmen through typical assembly details in wooden structures. The communal spaces are organized within this large void without structural columns or dividing walls interfering with the layout. The only exception is a wooden pillar that seems to support an extension of the wooden floor of the suite above. However, structurally, this element would not be necessary because the wooden floor can be anchored to the main concrete structure. The additional wooden structure of the suite above is intriguing. Could it be an intentional expansion? A design gesture to emphasize the use of wood? Whether the pillar and the extension were intentional or not remains open to interpretation. What do you think? The voids generated by the vertical circulation in the courtyard are utilized for convection and ventilation through these empty spaces, bringing natural light into the house. With the layout of the common space in the middle of the 1st floor, Q House encourages maximum communication among the people in the house. From this floor, they can interact with other rooms around them on the upper floors, thereby encouraging common family activities, such as the living room where friends gather, connecting to the kitchen where the mother is cooking and the children are playing together in the middle of the room. In a housing project, beyond the spiritual and material satisfaction of the owners, the design of Q House aims to shape a lifestyle through architecture, remodeling how modern people live, as they are always rushed outside, but forget how to enjoy peace in their homes. Here we can see the extension of the wooden floor, which allowed for the placement of the door and windows of the master suite, featuring a double-height ceiling. bedrooms are primarily illuminated by the central void and have views into the other rooms. The house opens inwards, highlighting the intention of coexistence among its residents. It's very interesting how Q House manages to utilize a small plot, dispersing the layout of the house vertically, yet without being tiresome. In terms of interior materiality, wood is predominant in creating a cozy and familiar atmosphere, complementing the raw concrete material of the ceilings and the local black stone flooring. Additionally, intertwining green areas and adding garden spaces in the house can help increase interaction between humans and nature. On the third floor, the wooden walkway connects the two rooms, which feature a staircase leading to the rooftop. The architectural language of Q House is formed through the framework structure containing alternating gaps with solids, along with minimalism in colors and contrasting material properties, creating a soft and pure living space.